everyone, my name is Anna. Today we want to recommend you our JAC fuel tank truck. This fuel tank truck is equipped a VTEC engine. It's 340 horsepower. It's 10-speed gearbox and radial tail. The material of the tank is carbon steel and the capacity is 20,000 liters. And it is divided into 3 compartments to load the different type of fuel. Fuel dispenser and the flow meter are optional. We can always customize the fuel tank truck as your needs. The truck is equipped with fuel pump for overhead delivery, bottom loading valve for quick loading. There are also safety valves such as bottom valve, European manhole, anti-overflow probe, vapor recovery valve. Tank top is equipped with folding guardrails and anti-slip walkway. Welcome to inquire us, and we wish you Merry Christmas and Happy New Year!